Hello students. New topic we are going to study is probability, and it is the last topic for chapter number 4. What do you mean by probability? If you think about it, probability, if you will search in dictionary, then you will find the two meaning of probability. Probability means chance. Probability means the uncertainty happening. What do you mean by chance or uncertainty? If you see a weather app in your mobile phone, clear, it will tell you two things. What is the maximum and minimum temperature of the day, as well as it will tell you what are the chances of rain. 5%, 10%, 90%, 95%, 100%. Clear? In some areas it will show 90%, in some areas it will show 10%. What is this percent? This is the measurement of probability. This is the chances, measure of chance. Clear? So we are not sure. 10% means only we are sure about 10%. 90% we are not sure. And it is the chance. It is not surety. It is not certainty. So the first question comes, it will probably rain today. Means we are not sure. Rain may be there, rain may not be there. Clear? So chances are there. Maybe, may not be. Okay. Second is, Oman football team may win the next World Cup. Inshallah. We have chances to win the next World Cup. Clear? But for this, we will try. And it always a chance. If by chance we get a goal there, clear, definitely we will win. Similarly, the third one, if I will win a big prize in Lulu draw next year. Every year during Eid, during National Day, the supermarkets are announcing various prizes. Clear? But how many people apply? Maybe 1,000, maybe 10,000 people are applying for those draws. Clear? But how many people are getting? Only 10 people are getting. So there is a chance. Any 10 can get the prize. So there is a chance. Clear? We are not certain that I will get the prize. But inshallah, I am sure that I will win prize next year. So this is probable. This is not certain. It is uncertainty. Maybe, may not be. Similarly, Oman population will cross 5 million mark in 2022. Clear? What is the population of Oman as per the gazette issued by the government this year? It is almost 4.4 million. So 4.4 million. So it may cross 5 million mark in 21, in 23, in 24. We are not sure. Clear? So there are chances. Understand? So wherever chances are involved, means if we are not certain, then chance comes, then uncertainty comes, uncertainty happen. Clear? So what do you mean? What is the meaning of this? Therefore, the uncertainty of these events can be measured numerically. Clear? I told you it will probably rain today. What I told you? I told you if you will see the weather app in mobile phone, what you will see? There are 10% of rain chances, 20% of rain chances, 70% of rain chances. What is that? That is the numerical measurement of chance. Clear? And this numerical measure of chance is called probability. This is the probability. Probability means the numerical measurement of uncertainty, of chance, of probable, what is happening. Clear? That is called the probability. Now there are two things here. One is the definition. Probability is a mathematical measure. Mathematical measure means numerical measure. Mathematical measure of the chances. Chances means likelihood. What is happening? Means rain will happen today. So it is likelihood. Clear? We will win the World Cup next year. Likelihood. We will win. All flights from Muscat International Airport will be right time. It is likelihood. Clear? Chance. So the mathematical measure of all chances of an event occurring, clear, is called probability. So this is the actual definition of probability. And if you will calculate the value of probability, it will be either in decimal or in fraction. It is not a complete number. That I will discuss with you later. But here you just need to remember the probability is always either in decimals or in fractions. Clear? Now we will study some important things, some important definition. Clear? That you must remember. What is the first definition? First definition is outcome. What is the outcome? Any possible result of a probability experiment is called an outcome. Clear? What are the examples? Examples is, number one example is flipping a coin. Flipping a coin. Number two, rolling a die. And please remember, I want to tell you, flipping a coin means there is a coin and there are two sides of the coin. One side is called head and another side is called tail. Clear? So flipping a coin. So what you will get? Either you will get a head or you will get a tail. If you watch seriously either a cricket match or a football match or a hockey match, so before starting of a match there is always a toss. The captain flip a coin. Who will hit the ball first? Clear? So the one who call the head, and if head comes, that captain won the toss. Clear? So this is flipping of a coin. And rolling a die, that I explained you during the counting techniques also. It is a cube with numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is a cube with numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rolling a die. So if you will roll a die, so how much? What you will get? You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these are outcomes. Clear? And one more example we can take. Choosing a name from 10 given names. Clear? If 10 names are written on the paper and you are choosing one, so that is outcome of the experiment. Clear? So these are the three. Or if choosing a ball, choosing a red color ball from a bag. There is a bag in which various color balls are there, and choosing a red color ball is an outcome. So first one is the outcome. Outcome means whenever you perform some experiment, so whatever you are getting as a result is called the outcome. The next definition is, and this is very important, sample space. Here, and sample space is denoted by this symbol. Sample space. Clear? The collection of all possible outcomes, whatever the possible, all possible outcomes for an experiment. The collection of all possible outcomes for an experiment is called the sample space. It's called the sample space for the experiment. Clear? And it is denoted by as I told you, this is the notation for the sample space. Clear? Now we will discuss some of the examples. Flipping a coin. A coin. Clear? If you are flipping a coin, what is the sample space? Sample space is only two. Either you will get head or you will get tail. Clear? Because it may come head, it may come tail. Another second experiment we will do, flipping of two coins. If we are flip two coins, what will be the sample space? If two coins we are throwing, so maybe head, both having head, maybe head tail, first having head, second having tail, first having tail, second having head, and both having tail. This is very important thing. Clear? And always remember, if, because how many possibilities are there? Important thing I will tell you here. As a coin have two possibilities. So n coins have 2 power n possibility. Clear? So here you can see how many it is 2 power 1. Here how many? It is 4, and 4 may be written as 2 power 2. So because here is 2 coins, so the answer is 2 power 2. This is. Now some more examples we will learn. Flipping of 3 coins. 3 coins. So if you are flipping 3 coins, what will be the sample space? The sample space will be now 3 coins. 3 coins means 2 power 3. So how many sample points will be there? 8 sample points will be there. 3 means first head, second head, third head. Then first head, second head, third tail. One tail included. One tail may be at middle place and one tail may be at first place. Now 2 tails, head, tail, tail. Maybe tail, head, tail, and maybe tail, tail, head. And the last one is all 3 tails. If you count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Initially I told you 8. So this is flipping of a coin. Clear? Now fourth example we will take. Experiment of a rolling die. Rolling of a die. If you will roll a die, how many sample points will be there? There will be maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe 6, or maybe this is. So how many possibilities are there for a die? For a single die, it is 6. So for n will be how much? 6 power n. there will be 6 power n possibility. So if I take in front of you rolling of 2 dice, then how many possibilities are there? Then you need to write all the possibilities, and it is very long. Maybe 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. First we are getting 1. Second we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. These are the possible outcomes we are talking about. Rolling of a dice. Then first is 2, second is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Clear? And the last one is first is getting 6, then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. And if you will see, how many total possibility? 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6. If you will add them, these possibilities are 36. So how many sample points in rolling of 2 dice? It is 36. And 36 is a square of 6. 6 power 2. 2 dice, so power 2. And what are the possibilities for 1 die? It is 6. So 6 power 2, 36. It is same to same we are getting. Okay. So this is about, these are the examples for sample space. Now the next third definition comes is an event. This is very important. In the probability, only 2 important things you are going to discuss: event and sample space. So what is the event? An event is a subset of sample space. This is the first important thing. What? That it is a subset of sample space. Clear? It is the collection of outcomes from the sample space. From the sample space. It is denoted by, or you can write, it is generally denoted by capital E, or you can write any capital letter. Some people write by A, capital B, capital C, but we generally write by capital E. Clear? Now you need to understand it with an example. Clear? Rolling a die. Clear? What is the sample space? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? This is rolling a die. Sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the question asks, what are the possibilities to get an even number? So getting an even number, getting a number greater than 3, getting a number less than 3, getting a number divisible by 2, getting a number divisible by 3, getting an even number. All of these are event. Getting an even number, clear. So E is equal to, what are the even numbers? It is 2, 4 and 6. So you can see E is the subset of this. Here E is a subset of sample space. This is event, means whatever they are asking, what question has been asked, that is an event. Getting an even number is an event. This is for one event. Clear? Now getting a number greater than 2. Greater than 2 means maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. So this is an event. Understand? So anything whatever is being asked is an event, that you need to remember. Clear? Now you need to study the next one, is an probability of an event. What is the probability of an event? Probability is denoted by PE. P. Clear? So if E is an event, then probability of the event is denoted by PE. This is, if E is an event, then the probability of the event is denoted by PE. Clear? And it is always lies between 0 and 1. So probability is always either 0 or greater than 0, but less than or equal to 1. Please remember, probability cannot be negative and probability cannot be more than 1. If you are getting answer 1.2, your answer is wrong. Answer should be between 0 and 1. Clear? And if by chance PE equals to 0, because we have mentioned is equal to 0 also. If P is equal to 0, then E is called an impossible event. Impossible means it cannot happen. Event. Clear? And PE is equal to 1, then E is called a certain event. That means this event will happen surely. Understand? This is probability of an event. Now, the next important thing we are going to do is that probability of an event. Probability of an event. What is this? PE can be divided or can be classified into two different ways. The first way is the experimental, or the word is written in your book is empirical. EMPIRICAL, empirical probability. This is first, and the second is classical probability. Classical probability. Clear? This is two type of means probability: experimental probability or the classical probability. Okay, so in the next lecture we will learn about what is empirical probability. Till then, thank you very much.